Hello, welcome once again to my channel. To begin with, I'll put up a question before you. Do you have a purchase list with you right now? Just check. Probably it's lying somewhere on the table, somewhere in your pocket, or maybe it's somewhere in your handbag or in your purse. Because most of us are ready with one or two purchase lists. And if it's a woman's purchase list or a girl's purchase list, then definitely there are some products like some makeup goods or some cosmetic products, isn't it? So if it's so, then this video is particularly meant for you, and stay tuned till the end of this video to know about some Indian fashion brands which offer you really good products and you don't need to go for those foreign products. Since the past few years, Indian cosmetic industry has shown growth and development. It has become really stronger. And since both men and women spend lots of bucks on these cosmetic products, it's really important for us to know about that where our money is going actually. So guys, the time is gone when you didn't think about what to purchase and you just picked up any product from any brand. It's high time. We must be aware of these facts. Being good citizens of India, we should know that whether we are contributing even a bit to the growth of our domestic brands or not. So that is why I'm here to tell you about those popular fashion brands and cosmetic brands which will offer you even better products as compared to their foreign counterparts.
Lakme belongs to Unilever, but it was started by Tata on special request of the then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, who found that a good amount of Indian currency was passing into foreign hands, into foreign brands, because of some fashionable Indian women, and that number was growing day by day. And Indian women really needed some good cosmetic products which they didn't get there in the local brands. So that is why there was a need of a good brand which offered really standard products for beauty care, skin care, health care, etc. in the Indian market. That is why he requested Tata. Later on, this particular company was sold by Tata's to Unilever. Color essence is a part of nature's essence, and the main purpose behind its establishment was that people were looking for substitutes for higher brands like Lakme, Revlon, Maybelline, etc. So that is why this completely Indian brand launched products which were really available at affordable prices, and believe me, they are really good and worth to be tried. VLCC, started by Vanna Luthra, gained a lot of recognition because of its slimming and beauty services, and whoever went there came back with a lot of happiness in their bags, and there was like a kind of satisfaction in the customer knew that they are not being cheated, so the loyalty factor was very high with VLCC. And yes, its slimming diet regimes are very popular even today, when there are so many other brands coming into nutrition and diet expertise. Vinita Jain started this biotique and she was very much fascinated about two subjects. One was Ayurveda and the other one was biotechnology. After pursuing her course, completing it, graduation course in New Delhi, she went all over to Switzerland to have a research in biotechnology. She was always amongst Ayurveda gurus during her bringing up years, so that is why Ayurveda had a good impact upon her life. So she was very curious to blend these two subjects, Ayurveda and biotechnology. So when this biotique was launched by her, its headquarters of research was there in Switzerland, and here in Himachal Pradesh it had its manufacturing unit. She first started with a kind of, you can say, sample testing there in the Swiss market, where it proved to be really a hit, and there all its products were liked by Swiss women. And then after getting a lot of success there, she came back here homeland and started selling the products, manufacturing it and selling it here in India. And here also it gained a lot of recognition because of its perfect blend of Ayurveda element and this biotechnology element. Shehnaz Hussain was given a special invitation for a lecture on beauty and wellness by Harvard University. She went there and delivered her lectures, and she was also invited by other important foreign universities. Hope you loved watching this video and hope that you got the message of investing in your own country. And yes, there are many other Indian cosmetic brands like Faces, like Himalaya Herbals, Forest Essentials and many more. So you can go for anyone. And my favorite, if you ask, is Forest Essentials, because if you really try its body lotions and cream, you'll really love applying it over yourself. So this is my experience. So bye bye, take care.